Want to make your Roblox game fully immersive in first person? Here's how to enable first person mode in Roblox Studio. Step 1. Lock the camera to first person. In Starter Player, select Starter Player, then scroll down to Camera Mode and set it to lock first person. This will lock the camera so players can't zoom out or rotate freely. Step 2. Hide the character's body. This is optional. To improve visibility, especially for FPS games, go to Starter Character Scripts. Add a local script with this code. This makes the body invisible in first-person mode, just like real FPS games. Step 3. Customize controls. This is optional. Use User Input Service to detect mouse clicks and movements if you're building a shooter or puzzle game. And that's it. Your game now runs in first person. Perfect for immersive world, horror, and shooter games. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.